They say it is one thing for you to pepper them. It is another thing for the pepper not to enter your eye. My beautiful and amazing people, wonders dey say e shall never end o. Una see dis matter as we dey talk am small small dey go, dey talk am dey come. People go dey see am like e be like say na joke, e be like say na film trick, e be like say na Nollywood. Omo guys, no be Nollywood at all o. Imagine when an honourable leaving her responsibility, leaving the people of Great Eagle to come and ridicule herself, bringing herself to this very level. When Two-Face, Oja Idibia brother wey dem dey call Charlie Brave come out come talk say Natasha buy pikin and they are going to do everything humanly possible to make sure say she shall review the hospital wey she execute that plan with, because it is a punishable offence, and not only punishable, it is against the law, be you who. If you want a child, why not go for an adoption? Adopt the child in a legal way, carry the pikin come house, come do your duty as a mother, and not the other way round. Now una dey go dey buy pikin. Which day here na im very dark man carry the Nigerian police dem make dem go scatter one warehouse wey dem say na the work wey dem dey do be that, to dey buy children up and down. Carry 2 million dey find pikin up and down, dey buy pikin. As if 2 million is what that child wey una wan buy. Even God talk am say nobody is a barren. Nobody is created barren. But even if e get as e be, you couldn't hold on, you couldn't wait. No matter your desperation, why not just go, follow the due process legally and adopt the child as e suppose, and continue your life from where you wan continue am. And besides, Natasha is never childless. She get baby boy wey she born for her first husband. So I wonder the level of desperation wey she dey desperate on getting pregnant by all means for Two-Baba. Now see wetin e don land her inside. Now according to the information making rounds on social media, saying that the Nigerian police force under the state CID, they don order that Natasha carry herself by herself come out for investigation, because there is a report, there is a petition against her by the Idibias, which is the Two-Baba and im family, on top of wetin pikin wey she go buy, wey she go buy. And not only buying the child, no be to buy the child na im be the koko o, but leading the man, making the man think say na im get the pikin. Not until when pikin dey say e start dey yellow. You know say anywhere wey you see Two-Face children, from the very beginning to the end, im signature dey always dey there. E dey show say this one na Two-Baba get am. Dem no need tell you, you go know, because im gene dey very very strong. At least even if you wan come buy the pikin, you go try buy the one wey be say either e slim or e get bald head or something wey go look like, in a way, like the Two-Baba, or make e even look like you wey be the mother wey dey buy am. But when dem say dem come start dey see pikin, e almost escape albino, na im dem say dem start dey suspect the pikin. Dem look am, dey say no, this one no be our brother own. When dem dey drag the matter dey go, dey say oya come out for DNA. E refuse, that she is not coming out for any DNA. Na there the suspicious became intense, until when dem come find out say she took injection to make sure say, to make her belle push out because people bin don dey call Two-Face mumu. Dem don dey call am say e be woman dis, e be woman dat. So e no know if woman get belle or woman no get belle. Say which level of stupidity be dat? Say nothing wey im wan talk wey people go believe. He is aware, he is carried along until when Two-Face use im mouth talk am say nothing wey happen between him and Natasha wey im dey aware of, and that the people should bear him witness. When im go find out, na dey say she take one or two wey dey make the particular part of the belle make e swell up like say e get belle. You know say some people think say na baby bump. Dem come dey talk say Two-Face, na today na you dey give woman belle wey you no go know baby bump if you see am. 7 good children na women don born for you. Dem carry belle 7 times born for you. You no come fit know the difference between baby bump and pikin belle if you see one. Haba now. Na im come make sure say e go do im findings. Come find out say omo she went extra just because she want to pepper Annie. She want to show Annie Two-Face again for the fact say e deserve what he got. Im ma wan show say soldier go soldier come, barrack remain. If Annie say she no do again, he is a man, he is capable, he can do it. He left her at an hour she needed him the most. He decided to pay her back evil for all the good that she did for him. Na so God dey take do im thing o. That's why they say my genders, it is well o. The kind atrocities wey dey cause on a normal day, only God na im fit explain am. How on earth would you do such kind of a thing all in the name of say you want the man? Now they say make she bring herself out for investigation. Thorough investigation is ongoing. They really want to know what prompted all this. The hospital that she bought the baby from. Because currently now, it is not ideal. Very dark man dey fight am like say tomorrow no dey. For all this trafficking, all this buy children up and down, it is no longer legal. It is a big offense. They say the petition wey they even petition her, wey the Idibians petition her, no be only for the pikin matter o, for misleading the family, making the family believe that she was pregnant was an offense, and the family are not okay. It's part of the petition, part of the investigation. Na by force. To date legend na by force. Because you already know say the only way to tame him na if you talk say you born for am or you get belle for am. Na you go extra, go put yourself for inside talk. How would the people that you are representing see you now? How would they feel that the great people of Igor constituency, when they see you, which ideology wey they bring come their head? Say imagine person wey dey represent us. See wetin e go dey do. All in the name of say you want a man. Oh, na wow. If God wan punish person sometime, e dey get as if dey do im thing sha. Going extra out of your way to commit such kind of crime. So, according to the information right now, that they are on it, and if found guilty, she will be prosecuted and be jailed for the period of, it depends on how the years, the months, the weeks wey the particular offense carry. She is going to serve her terms, all in the name of I wan pepper dem. Now see am, e just be like kpomo wey dey for inside ogbono soup. The more you dey draw am, e go dey draw you. If you no dey careful, e go jump enter your eye. Na im be this matter wey dey ground so. Who go come settle this one now? Two-Face, im just busy im thing, dey live im life now. Dey enjoy the moment with im children. E even don dey do tour. E don dey even do tour. You can see him now looking fresh. all of a sudden she turn PA, turn baby police, turn bodyguard, turn PA, turn everything all at once because you want to tame him. You don't want anybody to go close to him. You don't want his eyes to open. Omo, my genders una too do. I raise nyash for una on top of another woman property o. Dat you acquire am. I dey mean the other woman wey you collect am for im hand, e do am the way you dey do am so. How you for take see am kwanu? How you for take collect am? But e reach your turn, you wan kuku cage am make e no go anywhere again when e no be parrot wey dey dey put for inside cage. God abeg. Now see am, im eye now don clear. Dey don dey petition you and dey say if found guilty, you are going down for it with immediate effect sef for dat matter. And the hospital too, their own don finish because dem too dey go talk how dey take dey do. Omo, no be joking matter o. We dey think say na joke na joke. Omo guys, no be joking matter o. Natasha don buy real market for herself o. E no be joke again o. Hey! Make God come have mercy. Dis God of karma wey come for Natasha so, omo, the karma strong gan. E hold ground gan. Na only God go save am gan. Na im be dis matter so. Tor, I say make I come drop am for una as e dey hot. Say na the update be dis o. Whether na kirikiri e go later go, abi which one e go later do on top of man, person husband matter wey e go jump enter now. Only God go save am. I say make I come drop am for una as e dey hot. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest. What are your take? What do you think? If desperation was a person, this is it, and this is how it used to end if care is not taken. So we are learning from all of this to be very, very careful how we jump into things we don't know about. Because at the end of the day, the way you take jump enter, na so you go take jump comot. Based on say you hurriedly enter am without knowing or getting an idea of how it is or how it looks like. Because you see am dey glitz outside, you think say na so e dey for inside. All that glitters no be gold o. Some na just shine shine o. E no get as e wan be. My people, na im be that o. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.